Hello, today I will be doing a quick online tutorial on Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a leading video discussion platform for millions of educators, students, and families. This website allows teachers to create grids for students' discussion. Students respond through recorded videos, as you can see right here. Each grid has a message board where students post their 90-second video response, and the video will appear on the grid for all to see and comment. Educators can create a free account. As you can see right here, I just logged into mine. Once you create a grid name, which for example, this one is about me, so students can post a video about them and other students can click on it and respond to it. You make the grid active and then you can share it with the URL, the flip code, as well as share it onto a Google Classroom if that's what you have for your students. You can also go to the Disco library and pick from various flip grids for your students to participate in or get engaged in, or you can even get ideas on what grids you want to start with your students. You can also see the activity within your students, so how many topics are created, how many videos were created, how long they have been active for on Flipgrid, and how many video views. Overall, Flipgrid is a great classroom discussion forum to get students engaged. It allows every student to have a voice, and it's a flexible venue for teachers and students to communicate. And it's also a very safe place to foster discussion and collaboration, and most importantly, it's free.